Why do Yeezy boxes always fart? It's 6 in the morning. Black Friday. I am not looking forward to this. I was up way too late last night working. And this is not exactly how I want to spend my morning. I would much rather spend my morning sleeping in until 4 in the afternoon because I feel like I need it. But duty calls. It's Black Friday. We have places to be. You have no idea how bad I hope that there's no one in line. I don't want to stand outside for 5 hours. I want to go home, grab breakfast, take a hot shower. I really don't want... Can we just like fingers crossed that there's like 12 people in line and I can go home for an hour, please? Please? Yeah, there's like 40... Well, there's like 20 people and like 20 empty chairs in front of me in line. I'm going back to sleep. Okay, I am finally awake. I think. It's unfortunately like noon now. I hate sleeping in, but I've also been up till 4 a.m. 2 nights in a row doing work. YouTube's an amazing job, except there's a lot of stuff that goes into running your own business, and every once in a while you have 15 hours of stuff to do in a 24-hour day, and you end up being awake until 4:30 in the morning. I'm not complaining, I'm just very tired. I mean, you see these bags under my eyes? Yeah. I am honestly not a huge fan of Black Friday. I don't know, I don't buy hardly anything that's not work-related or basic necessities. Like seriously, you guys might be like, Tom, what about all the sneakers you buy? That is work related. Every single sneaker I buy is a business expense. And I mean, I enjoy them and I like buying them. But at the same time, that's how I make my income. Besides that, I spend money on like groceries, rent, internet bill, and that's literally it. Like I don't splurge. I'm a very, 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 very frugal person. So Black Friday, I just don't get the point of it. If there's something you need to buy, then go ahead and buy it and save some money. But I just, encourage you guys to sit back, look at the deal that you're getting and saying, does this really make my life better? Because sure, it might be 50% off, but you still need to spend money to get it. And what could that money be better spent towards? Retirement, education, basic necessities, whatever. That being said, we are going to go back to livestock. The line is most likely gone by now because the store opened up an hour ago. I mean, you never know. Sometimes the lines at livestock take forever. I almost guarantee you the Yeezys are gone, except if you've been paying attention, there was another pair of shoes that released today too, which I'm honestly more excited about. I mean, I've already bought that pair of Yeezys twice. I just don't care at this point. This is why I love livestock. It's Black Friday and it's not crazy packed in here, and they have amazing deals. If you haven't checked out their website and it's still Black Friday when you're watching this, they have like really good deals. You should probably check out. They had some Jordan Retro ones on sale for like $115 US, which is amazing. They have the shoes that I thought they would have that I'm going to pick up that released today that aren't the Yeezys. Obviously the Yeezys sold out. Like I said, I just don't want to stand in line 5 hours for a pair of shoes I've already bought twice. What do they have here though? They have the Pleasures Converse collab, which is like made out of feels like a rubber boot or like an umbrella. Not a fan of these. They also have these, which I think are absolutely amazing, which I need to break out very, very soon. There's just too much snow outside. I'll probably wait until I'm in New York to wear these, where there's not tons of snow outside. And then neighborhood Adidas. Ooh, yeah, sneak peek. They still have them. This is another reason why Livestock is the best store on earth. I got the shoes, and then they're like, Tom, do you want a donut? This is like a really fancy artisanal donut. This donut costs like $4, and they just gave me a $4 donut. Livestock, I love you. Yeah, that's a good donut. I saw some post today telling people to shop local on Black Friday. Shop wherever you want, but shop at Livestock. They're the freaking best. I mean, donuts, shoes. Let's take a look at these shoes. I mean, I saw them for half a second on the shelf. Did they forget to, oh no, they put the receipt in the box. I thought they forgot to give me my receipt. These are called the Why You Teasing Me Jordan brand. Why You Gotta Do Me Like This Jordan brand. Why you be like that Jordan brand Jordan 1s. They're not actually called that, but that's what we're gonna call them. Okay, they come with like weird laces that say stuff on them. It says, said man was not meant to, oh, who said man was not meant to fly? We don't care about that. We care about how Jordan Brand teased all of us with this color code. They put it out. Everyone theorized that the Bread ones were coming out, and then, yeah, and then these came out. I mean, they're not bad by any means. They're not bad by any means. But come on, you couldn't have given us Bread ones? Oh, that's interesting. I don't know how I feel about this. You see all the red piping all around this shoe? That is like a felt. It's a very like cheap feeling felt material. I'm not a fan of that. I wish they would just put another layer of leather or something. That guy was looking at me so weird. Yeah, not a huge fan of the felt. I mean, the colorway looks cool. I hate how there's no plain black laces, because there's red laces, which I think are gonna look trash in the shoe, and then there's these black laces that have writing all over them. I'm gonna need to go reappropriate a pair of plain black laces. My hands are freezing. I don't know why I decided to, you know what, let's get back inside. This is a dumb idea. Oh, okay, much better, nice and warm. Oh wow, winter. Not a fan. These things are cool though. I really do like these. Not a fan of not having plain black laces. The red laces make them look cheap. It makes them look like a little kid shoe, at least in my opinion. Not a fan of the red laces at all. So I'm just gonna go find, I mean, I have a million pairs of extra black laces laying around. Just gonna go find one of those and stick it in here instead. And I think those are gonna look a lot better. Not a huge fan of the felt around, like all the red trim you see is felt, which is really disappointing. Honestly, really disappointing. The leather quality, you know, it's pretty good. It's not amazing, it's not bad, it's right in the middle. It's sort of what you'd expect from a regular Jordan 1 that's coming out over the past few months. So can't complain about that. And I mean, it's a black, white, and red Jordan 1. We have seen so many colorways that have black, white, and red, but I'm still gonna buy them. I still like them. I still, you know, I like how this sneaker looks. It's not one of the best sneakers that's come out this year, but it's certainly not one of the worst. And it's a Jordan 1 that you could wear every day with a whole bunch of different outfits, so that always gets a plus in my books. If you can get these on sale, I'm guessing that they will go on sale, especially bigger sizes. If you're size 11 and up, just wait. Get these on discount in like 4 weeks and save some money, get a nice pair of Jordan 1s. These might even hit Nike outlets. I wouldn't be surprised if they hit Nike outlets. Overall though, I cannot complain. I want to hear what you guys think of these. Drop a comment down below. What do you think of these? Good, bad? Did you pick them up? Did you pass on them? Why did you pass on them? That being said, the big shoe that released today is the Yeezy 350 Core Blacks, or Blacks, or what are they just called, the black ones? Anyway, I didn't have to buy a pair because I already have a pair. Okay, I might have made a slight miscalculation here. This is my storage locker. Don't ask why I have so many shoes. Literally every single one of these I need to sell. It's a process. I know, I don't have time for this stuff. I thought I had them in one of these Yeezy boxes somewhere around here. I don't actually have them. What I do have is like pretty much the next best thing. I mean, like, I basically have them. This is what happens when you have so many pairs of shoes going in and out of the collection. You just forget what you own. My apologies. I thought for sure that I owned these things. I definitely had 2 pairs in the past. I won the raffle for one. I bought another one for resale. I guess I sold both of them or lost them or something. I wouldn't put it past myself to have lost them, but we do still have these. The Yeezy 350 V2 Core Black with the red writing. I don't know if there's an official name for it, but it's the Core Black with the red writing. St. Pablo loves you 350. Does it actually stand for St. Pablo loves you? I don't think we ever decided whether it stands for Supply or St. Pablo loves you. I really hope it doesn't stand for St. Pablo loves you. I honestly think this is a better shoe. Originally, I think when the black ones came out, I was all over the black ones. I was like, this is one of the best Yeezy colorways ever. I love these, I love these, I love these. Just looking at these now, you know, now that we're like 6-7 months removed from the original release, I do think this is a better pair of shoes than the newer version. Personally, I'm just so sick of seeing Yeezy 350s. I never want to see a pair of Yeezy 350s again in my life. Like, I don't enjoy the shoe. I have 2 pairs. I have the red stripes and the zebras, and I don't think I will ever buy another pair to keep unless I can get the Yay Chills for retail. Like, I really like those, and I consider maybe the glow in the darks if I got those for a good price, because those are pretty freaking awesome as well. Just so many colorways of Yeezy 350s. It's like I can't get excited about Yeezy 350s seeing Yeezy 350s over and over and over. Okay, that didn't work.